Hey everyone, are you stuck on your Cengage SIMnet Excel 365 Capstone project? Don't worry, in this short video, I'll show you how to finish it step by step. First, we'll set up the Courtyard Medical Plaza workbook and get all the sheets ready. Then we'll build smart formulas: COUNTIF, SUMIFS, IF, index plus XMatch and XLOOKUP. Everything your project needs. Next, we'll format and consolidate the worksheets, add logos, and even create a billing template with data validation and checkboxes. By the end, your project will look clean, professional, and ready to submit on SIMnet. And if you ever need personal one-on-one help, our experts are just a message away. Chat with us on WhatsApp for quick, reliable support. Let's make Excel easy. Hit like, share with your classmates, and subscribe for more Cengage tutorials from Help and Homework website.